Competition has forced professionals around the globe to update their skills very frequently every year, even every month. But time, cost, and quality remain the most critical factors when choosing a training solution. NetSuite ERP instructor-led live online training takes care of all of it. Saturo Technologies has developed a 360-degree online learning solution that delivers instructor-led live online training at your time, your place, and your convenience. To get started, all you need is an internet connection, and our certified master instructors connect with you in real time to give live online training through a simple and seamless collaborative platform. You enjoy the flexibility to schedule training as per your comfort and the choice to get training one-on-one. For a comprehensive learning experience, we facilitate self-paced learning. You get money lines assessments and simulated mock tests or practice time and again. It doesn't end yet. At the end of each test, you get a complete analysis of your attempt, and it provides knowledge to check, all hands-on exercises to reinforce what you've recently learned. That demonstrates your competency level in each knowledge area. You can utilize this information to fill in your knowledge gaps and concentrate on enhancing your skills to the desired level. Our portfolio includes a wide range of courses, so that you can easily find out exactly what you need. And our personal demand online training programs makers a preferred end-to-end solution for individuals as well as corporate learners. Oracle NetSuite all-inclusive 360-degree learning program has helped millions of users around the globe.